So this what's going on. Somebody just came and got me. Let me know that there is a bird in the fireplace. Second time this year. So obviously we didn't close the flute. So there's a bird downstairs in our fireplace, and we're gonna have to go and coordinate a plan. I have to be on some animal pest control type situation this morning, and I'm sure Brooklyn is downstairs having a field day because I heard her talking to the bird. Guess we're about to take y'all on this little ride. The quarantine bird edition invasion of the bird vlog for today. So let's see what's going on down there. So we got to figure out what we about to do about this. So get this bird about this house because he is flying around in the fireplace. We about to just check out what's going on. All right, it is bird day, apparently. So Brooklyn, before we let him out, we gotta formulate a plan. So I don't want him just flying all around my house, tearing up things. So, you said it's cute? We need to put a plan together. Where's it at? Well, you got a little birdie. So why don't you go get some bread and we'll lay a little trail for him to go out.
I didn't even go to sleep.
Shaky, we got an intruder in the house, boo. Oh, Brooklyn girl.
I'm happy I saw the bird.
It's too early for this. You happy?
Yeah.
You would see birds outside. Why
I
you
know,
happy
but
about
like
seeing a bird? in
Yeah,
your
but not
house?
up close though.
You can see birds up close, girl. All right, so we got to formulate a plan. And get some bread. You got bread cut up. Ooh, there you go.
He said, "Ooh, there you go."
We gotta get a trail going. All right, get all that glassware.
Yeah, but that last
Hold
one,
up.
that last one was calm though. But this one is like aggressive.
Nah, it wasn't calm when it got out.
It definitely was not. That last one was freaking me out.
Girl, lay the trail down. You sitting up there trying to have a heart-to-heart with the Okay, you gotta lay a trail. Space it out so he could jump. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Come on. There you go. Get it on out.
Where's gonna work?
Well, we about to find out.
Hey, Mom.
Girl, we ready for battle. BJ, you got your weapon of choice. Quelo got your weapon of choice. We're ready for battle. All right, Brooklyn, do the honors.
Not Brooklyn did the honors. I can do it.
Was she out here? Brooklyn, oh, hold on. Babe, you need to, that bread, you need to spread out a little bit more. I know, there you go. Come on. Put that other piece a little further away. There, girl. You need to make sure. Marquella, you check the trail quality. Nah, she needs some more pieces. Go get another piece of bread. Oh, a little birdie.
Birdie. It's cute though. It's like black.
It is cute.
It's like black and it's like
It's okay, baby. We gonna get you out. Hey, somebody call Ace Ventura. Pet detective. Well, everybody woke up except for Dallas.
Because he been staying up all night.
Yeah, go on and fill in your little holes, girl. Okay, put some more outside. Put some more outside. That's enough. I mean, because you don't want him to get too full, then he gonna forget about the trail. If he get too much too soon.
I wish we could like close this off.
I wish too, baby.
There's a chance he might find her.
But that's what we got our defensive weapons for. That's what we got our defensive weapons for. BJ, how's your swing? Okay, Brooklyn. All right, girl.
Hey.
Y'all got y'all weapons?
Yep.
Ooh.
Grab a stick just in case.
Okay, just now you come back, Brooke, come back. Girl.
Come back.
Brooklyn, come back. He'll find his way. Come back. Ooh.
I want to sit on the couch. Can I sit on the couch?
BJ, because you need to get back on your post. Hurry up and go get his glasses so you can get back on your post.
Post.
Okay, Brooklyn, you filling in for BJ? You got his weapon. Oh, we got to move this. Shakes food and water. Cause... Oh.
Is he out? No.
Yeah, come on.
No, it's trying to go. He's trying to go like the other way. That'd be funny if I just let all both of them. Yeah.
Ooh, Juve. Ooh. Working you on my weapon just because I gotta run.
Work's done, that hurts to like.
It's on the left side. It's on the left side. Oh.
I just have
It didn't go as planned, huh? Where?
Oh, that thing just went flying in. There's no shake water. What's that?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
I was scared of my life because I didn't even know what was going on.
I think it flew. Where did it go? Oh. Dallas, we need your assistance, babe. All right, I think it's
Outside.
out. Okay. We hope it flew out.
Yeah, that's gonna be stuff I can do.
Huh? Ooh, okay. So, as you can see, I was a little freaked. Brooklyn, was you freaked out?
Yeah.
You was a little bit. But,
I didn't expect it to fly everywhere.
well, birds fly. So, hopefully we ain't got to deal with it again. So, a very, very eventful morning. All right, so I'm about to finish getting ready to get my day started, you know. Yeah. Not the morning I was expecting, but, you know, we do what we gotta do to make it happen. Don't laugh at me for running like that, y'all. I told y'all I'm already not fond of being with wild animals in close contact, so yeah. That was a whole mess. But I'm just glad it's over with. So anyway, today what I'm doing, getting ready to get my day started. I'm gonna do a little, I'm not even gonna say what we doing today, because it's gonna be nice and fun. And so you'll just have to tune in later and see what it is that we do. But just know it's gonna be a good one.
We just got attacked by a bird, like craziest thing ever. How do you feel about it?
It was pretty fun.
It was pretty fun actually, but at the same time I did not expect that at all. And if you would like to see more crazy adventures on this channel, make sure you tune in for more, right Brooklyn?
Yes.
We have a lot in store. Make sure you guys tune in. And make sure you guys like, comment, and
Subscribe.
turn on those post notifications.
Period.